What do we have going on here? Does this look like a motivated group?
No, they are messing around with sponges and squeezing the soap out of them, not in the buckets.
Right, not in the bucket. We need to get more soap on the cars than on the wrestlers, right?
Yeah.
Would you agree with that?
Yeah.
Now, what do you think about Carson's performance here on getting to the top of this truck?
Not very well. He should start up there and then move down and then go to the better.
It's surprising, given how long his arms and legs are, that he has not already kind of monkeyed himself up to the top of that truck. Do you agree?
Yeah.
All right. And Joseph here, listen, we've noticed that your squeegeeing technique has been much improved this season over the last season, but I don't know, Ariel, what do you think? Do we need to maybe, I don't know, show some more, like, yeah, right. What do you think, Ariana?
Are you lying?
Huh? No?
Oh, you
I don't even know.
Well, I mean, but
Christ.
I mean, you would agree that we're needing to show a little bit more
get rid of the
action
wire,
up top,
you know?
Yeah.
right? You know, to
Because
really
everyone's
blow
starting
top
at
of
the
the
bottom.
offense off, right? We're going to need to get some of these long limbs.
Get your long arms up there.
Right.
Oh,
This?
Why?
Yeah.
Jonathan. Oh.
All right. So we're going to have more on this later, okay? More from Ariana, more on the wrestling team, more on fundraising for cheerleading, fundraising, all athletics. You can Venmo us. Spring Hill High School Raiders Wrestling. That's SHHS Raiders Wrestling. Venmo us. Any denomination will do. Thank you.